Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. As our first revamped video, we are going to download and install Unity Hub. For the ones that doesn't know, Unity Hub is like a standalone desktop application and it allows you pretty much to control anything related to Unity ecosystem. We are talking about streamline how you find, download and even manage your Unity editor installations and your Unity projects. Remember that Unity Hub is not a game engine itself, but rather the gateway and management interface for the Unity editor. So you might be asking, how can I download this? How can I get started? Well, that's very easy. Simply pick up your favorite browser. I already have my browser open up right here. So right here you find the official website, unity.com. Just select this link right here and you have open up unity.com website. Right here you want to download. If you press download, you will be linked to the download Unity page. Here you can download for Windows or you have other options as well. So in my case, I just want to download for Windows. So I'll press the button right here and I will save it in my downloads folder, which then I can install whenever it's ready. If you get a pop-up to accept the installation process, just press yes. And now you get the setup here with the license agreement as usual. You can read through this as well. And then you get like a place, a destination folder. I will leave it like this, like default. And bang, it should be installed in a couple of seconds. Now you can run Unity Hub from here as well if you want to finish the installation and open it up automatically. Now you got Unity Hub right here and you need to create a new account or sign in. If you select to create a new account, you will be linked into your favorite browser probably, and then you can fill in your data and create the account. Whenever you get your account ready, just put sign in. You will be again redirected to your browser where you can actually sign in with your email or any of the other options. So I will sign in with my account. Sometimes you might be asked to verify a verification code in your email just for that extra protection. After you get the code, just press continue and then you should be good to go. So your Unity Hub should automatically probably pop up this get Unity personal. So you agree with these terms and by agreeing to this, you know that you are using Unity personal license, which allows you to do personal projects and so on and learn, and not actually something that you will use to sell games, sell products, because for that you need another kind of license. So Unity can get some part of your revenue. So you agree to these terms, and then we have some stuff here like if you want, you can do already an installation process here. For now, I will skip this and I'll put this into full screen. And this is Unity Hub, guys. So from here on, we can install the editor, we can check our projects, we have learning tabs, we have community, settings, we can also access documentation, and so on. This will be your main hub to store and maintain your projects and versions of Unity that you have installed in your machine. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to actually install a Unity editor. And from there we can open up a default project so you know how to at least create a new one from scratch. And from there we go starting on the tutorials forward. Anyway, for this video, this is it. Now you have Unity Hub installed, which is a good start. I'll see you guys in the next video where we will install the editor. Until there, stay cool, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Plus Equal signing out.